Well, there's breaking news coming in at this hour. Now we're getting information that after 113 hours, Old Delhi's economic lifeline road has reopened. This is after the Delhi's 10/11 blast. Important to understand that access has been restored to Chandni Chowk and Bhagirath Palace. The blast hit stretch in Old Delhi has finally been reopened after 113 hours. Remember, this comes after 5 days of the blast. Police have removed the tent covering the explosion site, allowing traffic and public movement to resume, is what we're being told. The road, closed since the evening of the 10th of November, connects India's busiest markets, including Chandni Chowk and Bhagirath Palace, which are now fully accessible again. Important information we're tracking at this hour. This is in context of Old Delhi. Remember that after the 10/11 blast, there had been access which had been cut off after 113 hours. Old Delhi's economic lifeline road has opened, restoring access to Chandni Chowk and Bhagirath Palace. On this, my colleague Shreya joining us on the telecast. Shreya, we're being told that the roads are now open. Walk us through the details. What exactly is happening there?
Well, Reet, on my left side is the iconic Red Fort, and on my right side is the explosion site of that major bomb blast that took place on the 10th of November. And after 5 days, normalcy is beginning to return. This particular stretch, the Netaji Subhash Marg, was closed off for the last 5 days for investigation purposes. But today, India's busiest markets, as you rightly said, that Chandni Chowk and Bhagirathi Palace, that has been opened up for the public. This road has been opened up, and as you can see, those curious onlookers, the citizens of the national capital who have been horrified and were quite fearful for the last 5 days after this blast that struck the national capital. They are on and about here, and visitors are coming here, keeping their fear aside. They are taking pictures here outside the Red Fort. But remember that explosions don't just shatter glass, it fractures futures, and it has led to the death of 13 people and left many permanently disabled.
Absolutely,
the NIA continue to investigate all angles regarding the terror incident that took place right here. And as you can see, the paramilitary forces, they continue to safeguard this place, although it has been opened up for the people. And we will have to wait and watch how this white terror module unfolds and how
exactly,
justice is delivered for those affected families.